Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Classes. So today in this video I am going to start a new chapter of class 8 NCERT, that is linear equations in one variable. So before starting this chapter you should know what is linear equation. So if I write here 2x plus 3, so in this case this 2x plus 3 is an expression. We will call it as expression. But now if I write 2x plus 3 is equals to 9, or if I take one more example, suppose y plus 3 is equals to 0. So here now you will see in both the terms this is equals to 9 and here equals to 0. It can be equals to any number, right? So now this has become equation. And your chapter is linear equation. So here linear means if the power of the variable is always 1, you will see here in this equation there is only one variable x and its power is 1. So we can say that this equation is linear equation. Same here, there is only one variable y and its power is 1. So again we can say that this equation is linear equation. And this complete chapter name linear equations in one variable, you will see these both equations, there is only one variable, right? And the power of the variable is 1. Same here, there is only one variable and the power of the variable is 1. So hence these two equations are known as linear equation in one variable. So this is about linear equations in one variable. So now we will solve the further exercise. So let's start solving exercise 2.1, question number 1. So here you can see all the equations are given to you and you have to find the value of x or the value of y. Right. So here first part. So here you will use the method of transposing the variable. It means that whatever number is there with the variable x, all these terms you will shift to the RHS side. This is your LHS side or LHS part, and after equals to this is your RHS side, right? So here whatever terms, whatever numbers are there with the variable x, all these numbers you will shift to the RHS side, right? So here write the same variable x as it is. You will see this is minus 2. So now step number 1 is minus 2, you will shift to the RHS side, right? And you will see in the RHS side 7 is already here. So first of all write 7 as it is, and now this minus 2 will move to the RHS side. So here one thing you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you will transpose a number, the sign will always change. This is minus and now after going this side, its sign will change. So now it has become plus, this is 7 plus 2. So the value of x is 7 plus 2 is 9. This is your answer. Now second term, same here, y plus 3 is equals to 10. Again the same rule. Just now I told you whatever numbers are there with the variable y, you have to shift all the numbers to the RHS side. Right. Again this is your LHS and this is your RHS. So here this plus 3 you will shift to the RHS side. Right. So here left is y, so write y as it is, then write equals to as it is. You will see in the RHS side 10 is already there, so write 10 as it is. Now this plus 3 will move to the RHS side and its sign is plus, but when this plus 3 will come to the RHS side, its sign will get changed and this is minus 3. So therefore the value of y is 10 minus 3 is 7 and this is your answer. Moving to third part. Same here you will see this time in the LHS part 6 is there and in the RHS side z plus 2. I am writing here this is LHS and this is RHS. Again the same rule you have to follow. So same here with the variable, whatever terms are there, you will shift all the terms to the other side. Right. So write 6 as it is in the LHS side. Now this plus 2 is in the RHS. So in this case, you will shift this plus 2 to the LHS side. You have to make the variable separate. You will see in the first part, we have made the variable separate, same here. Now again the same thing in the third part, you have to make this z separate, okay. So whatever terms are there with the variable, you will shift all the terms to the other side. So plus 2 will come this side and now this become minus 2 and equals to, now here z is left. So 6 minus 2, this is 4. So the value of z is 4. Now moving to the last part, that is the fourth part. So here you can see this, all the numbers are given in the fraction form, right? But you have to follow the same rule. Same here, there is only one variable x. So with x there is 3 by 7. So step number 1 is you will shift this 3 by 7 to the RHS side. So what is left here? X. So write x as it is, equals to, in the RHS side 17 by 7 is already. So now this plus 3 by 7, when it will go to this side, its sign will get changed. Here there is no sign, it means plus. So now it will go to the RHS side, it becomes minus 3 by 7. So next step, the value of x is equals to, now whenever fractions are there, in this case you need to find out the LCM. Right. So for LCM, you will see the denominators. You will see 7 and 7, two same numbers. So write the same number as it is. Now divide both the numbers. So if you divide both the numbers, you will get 1 because 7 ones are 7. So 1 multiplied by the numerator 17, you will get 17 here. Same, divide 7 and 7, you will get 1 because 7 ones are 7. Now 1 multiplied by the numerator 3. You will get 3. So the value of x is 17 minus 3 is 14. So 14 by 7 is 2. So the value of x is 2. This is your answer. So these are the first 4 parts. So please have a look. Now moving to the next part, that is the fifth part. So here the equation is 6x equals to 12. So whenever there are two terms and there is a equals to sign in between, so always divide both the numbers. Right? Here the variable is x, so write x equals to, now equals to sign means you have to divide both the terms. So divide 12 by 6 and your answer is, if you divide 12 by 6, you will get 2 because 6 2s are 12. And the value of x is 2. This is your answer. Now moving to the next equation. Now here you can see this is in terms of fraction, you will see t by 5 and here the variable is t. So t by 5 is equals to 10. So whenever there is a fraction in this way, you will write, so try to write this 10 also in terms of fraction. So we can write 10 by 1 because 10 by 1 is 10 only. Right. So here, in order to solve this, we will always do the cross multiplication here. You have to just keep in your mind that whenever the numbers are in terms of fraction and there is a equals to sign in between, so always do the cross multiplication. So this is t multiplied by 1 is equals to, see the arrow, 10 multiplied by 5. Now t multiplied by 1 is t and 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. So the value of t is 50 and this is your answer. Moving to seventh part. So here again you will see this 2x by 3 is in the form of fraction. So try to write 18 also in the form of fraction. So we can easily write 18 by 1. Right. Now again follow the same step. Do the cross multiplication. We'll do the cross multiplication here. So 2x, see the arrow, 2x multiplied by 1 is equals to 18 multiplied by 3. Now 2x multiplied by 1 is 2x because any number multiplied by 1 will be the same number. 18 multiplied by 3 will multiply 18 by 3, this is 54. So again you will see here there are two terms and in between there is an equals to sign. So equals to sign means you will divide both the numbers. Right. So the value of x is equals to 54 divided by 2. So if you divide 54 by 2, you will get 27. So therefore the value of x is 27. Now moving to 8th part. So same here, 8th part, you will see this is y by 1.5. So try to write 1.6 also in terms of fraction. So we can write 1.6 by 1 is equals to y upon 1.5. Right. So here by cross multiplication again. So 1.6, you see the arrow, 1.6 multiplied by 1.5 is equals to 1 multiplied by y. Now you have to multiply 1.6 and 1.5. So if you will multiply 1.6 and 1.5, you will get 2.40. 2.40 is equals to y, or we can say 2.4. So the value of y is 2.4. This is your answer. Moving to the 9th part. Same here, 9th part. 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. So again, this minus 9 we will shift to the RHS side. So write here 7x as it is, then write equals to. Now after equals to, you will see 16 is already there. So write 16 as it is, and this minus 9 we will shift to the RHS side. Right. So here it is minus sign. So when this will go to the RHS part, the sign will change into plus. So 7x is equals to, you will add both the numbers, you will get 25. Again here equals to means division, you will divide both the numbers. So the value of x is 25 by 7. This is your answer. Moving to the 10th part. Same here in 10th part, 14y minus 8 is equals to 13. Same, this minus 8 we will shift to the RHS side. So here left is 14y. Now 14y is equals to, you will see 13 is already here. So first of all write 13 as it is. Now minus 8 will go to the RHS side. So it becomes plus 8. Right. Now next step, 14y is equals to, you will add both the numbers. You will get 21. So the value of y is 21 by 14. Or you can further simplify it. So simplify both the numbers by 7. 7 3s are and 7 2s are. So 3 by 2 is your answer. Now moving to the 11th part. Same way in 11th part you will see here p is the variable, right? So whatever numbers are there with the variable, you will shift it to the RHS side. So here first of all write 6p as it is, now equals to. Now here 17 you will shift to the RHS side, and here in the RHS side 9 is already there. So write 9 as it is, and this is plus 17, it will go to this side, it becomes minus 17. So 6p is equals to, now 9 minus 17 is 8, but here the bigger number is 17 and bigger number sign is minus, so your answer will be minus 8. So the value of p is, now again equals to means division, you will divide minus 8 by 6, or you can further simplify it. So simplify both the numbers by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So your answer is minus 4 by 3. This is from question number 5 to question number 11. So please have it.